Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Research Ready and Student Matters Hub by Doc Lynn. And I'm Doc Lynn. I'm here to guide you on your research and academic journey. Transition of your college life to professional career is significant and often daunting milestone. Your journey is marked with the end of your college studies as you face another chapter of your career with opportunities, uncertainties, and hopes. But you are now faced with new challenge, and that is job hunting. This video will give you practical tip on how are you going to bridge the gap between college life and facing your career. I'm going to summarize my practical tip in the word career. So C stands for cultivate connections. Napaka-importante ng kung ikaw ay nag-aaral pa lang, meron ka ng mga professional organizations na sinasalihan. At kung ikaw ay graduate na, you have also to be active on alumni organizations as well as your connections with your professors because they can give you idea, tips, and principles. How can you find a better job for yourself? As well as you have also to establish your personal profile and social networking sites such as LinkedIn. Letter A is adapt your resume. You have to customize your resume depending on the needs of the job that you are applying. Kung ano yung hinahanap na skills and abilities ng trabaho na ina-applyan mo, dapat iyon yung i-highlight mo sa iyong resume. Pwede kang makakuha sa mga networking sites ng sample ng resume, pero mas maganda kung magiging personalized at magpi-fit talaga sa pangangailangan ng trabahong ina-applyan mo yung isa-submit mong resume. Letter R, research companies. Before you apply for a certain company, you have to search first about that company. Look at their websites, try to read their vision, mission, and statement so that you will be familiar about the history of the company. You can also use this in order to prepare yourself during the interview. Letter E, enhance skills. Continuously enhance your skills and abilities so that you will be prepared once you land on your first job. You're also doing yourself a favor by trying to be competitive in the market. You attend trainings, workshops, or online courses which can continuously enhance your skills. Engage internships. Internships provide hands-on experiences to trainees and also a foot in the door of the industry you have chosen to work with. Even there are internships that are unpaid, you can take that opportunity because it can provide you valuable work experiences. Letter R, refine interview skills. Habang nag-iintay ka kung kailan ka tatawagan ng kumpanyang ina-applyan mo, pwede mong practicein yung communication skills mo at kung paano ka sasagot during interview. Hindi ito masama. Kasi mai-enhance yung skill mo kung paano ka sumagot. And once you are already there, alam mo na kung ano yung gagawin mo. At ang dami-dami din sa mga YouTube channels na pwede mong panoorin kung ano yung mga common questions na tinatanong during the interview. Pero maging maingat din tayo. Hindi lahat ng tanong na iyon ay pwedeng applicable sa'yo. Lagi mong tandaan, ano ba yung trabahong ina-applyan ko? At doon mag-fit kung ano yung mga questions na pwedeng itanong sa'yo during the interview. But commonly, questions are coming from the resume or the documents that you have submitted to the company. I wanted to add another letter on my practical tip career, and that is letter S. S stands for stay positive and present. You will really experience challenges, obstacles, or struggles while you are applying for your first job. But my advice to you is that you just keep on going. Please keep updated. At the same time, don't forget the word patience. That ends the discussion of our practical tip, and I hope that these simple tips will help you find your first job. And I am very optimistic that you will have it in time. But before we end our video, let us first answer our learning assessment. Kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na ito, please like, share, and please subscribe to our channel para updated ka sa mga latest lesson videos. Always remember, we unlock insights to empower your minds. Thanks for watching!